There are many different types of presentation techniques, but today I will give you a brief overview of small group instruction. Small group instruction is usually given on a specific learning objective to about 2 to 5 students. It also is usually formed after whole group lessons. It is recommended that you seat the students in chairs, not at tables or a desk, in a semicircle fashion. If teachers seat children at a table or a desk, they will have to work harder to keep the children's attention. As shown here in this picture, these children are sitting across from each other, and they're probably more so focused on each other than what the teacher is talking about. Students in small groups should be facing towards the teacher and away from other students so that they won't be distracted. Also, the teacher should be facing the group, looking out over the classroom so that he or she can monitor the entire classroom. This has been all for my brief overview. Hopefully that this can be helpful for you and your classroom.